Usually a vendor sends me something where I'm like, that's pretty neat. And so I just got these playing cards from Baylor Engineering. And so I'm going to try to play poker with the 5 things that I would like to see in the training center now. So first we got some safety light curtains. I don't have this version, but okay, I actually have this version, so I'm not going to go for those. I have been really interested in this X26 expandable controller. Oh, and okay, I have the SC210, but this has a few capabilities that I'm like, that would be pretty cool. So I'm going to put that one into play. I do have one of these two-hand controls. And this is really cool, but I don't have an application for it at the training center, some RFID safety switches. And on my two-hand control, I do already have some safety touch buttons. And there's their standard safety relay. And there's a customizable locking switch, but I can't think of a reason for it. And there is one of their safety light curtains. I probably should have some road clothes here, but I just don't have a trainer that I can really put them on. And I can't think of a place to put that. And that is some really cool software. We've done some video on the safety controller software before. Okay, now I do keep seeing this occasionally, and I think I'm going to put this one in the IIoT Gateway. And there is their IO-Link Hub. Now, what I love about their IO-Link Hub and their IO-Link Master is the way it lays flat, you can really put it in some compact locations. But I already have their IO-Link Master, so I'm not going to pick that one. And then there is another one of their IO-Link Hubs. Okay, now I actually have an application where I need a wireless pressure transmitter, so I am going to put that one in. And then there's one of their roller controllers. And I have this DXMR 110. There's their asset monitoring gateway for their Snap products. I've never played with their Snap products. They have some really cool field wearables. So I'm really not sure what the R50 IO junction block is. I probably should learn a little more about that. I'll have to ask my beta rep next time they come around. And we use a whole lot of Baylor cabling already. So there's the Snap signals. So they have that on a maybe list one day, but not today. But with multi-point sensor, I can be honest, I don't know what exactly multi-point sensor is, but I probably should learn a little more about that one too. And we have some vibration monitoring here. There's a laser distance measuring sensor. This is over IO-Link. This this is standard on our trainer. It's sitting right here at the bottom. Here's a wide beam sensor. You know, radar sensor would be cool, but I can't think of an application for it in the training center. And there's a set of measuring array light curtains. And again, I should find a home for those there. Precision edge guard, which we don't know a lot of precision here. Maybe I can measure the thickness of a card or something, but not for now. And then there's another radar sensor. And there's another laser sensor. There's some really nice laser sensors, and we actually use a variation of this photoelectric sensor. There's a fiber optic sensor. We have some of those. We don't have any of them out right now. And there's some of their miniature sensors. There's a time of flight sensor. There's another one I probably should find an application for. They have their tower lights. I like their K50s though, but yeah, there's their tower light. We just did a video recently on the status, the SD50. That's a really cool display there. Okay, the pick to light devices I actually am kind of interested in because I see these some, so I should have these somewhere in the training center. That way we can learn about them. So I'm going to put that one down. And then we have some of their multicolor light. And then we have an LED strip. There is their multicolor spotlight. I don't have a spot for that, but yeah, that's a pretty cool one. Okay, when we have the parts verification, I don't know between that and the pixel light. Yeah, I'm gonna stick with that. And then you have the K50 multi-color touch programming with display, and I think I probably should have one of those here. So let's see how I do. That's 5. And if we put them in order, I have a king of clubs, I have a jack of spades, I have a 6 of spades, a 10 of clubs. Wow. Well, I did pretty crappy at poker, but I think this would be 5 really cool things to learn about in the training center now. I like the cards better.